Tell me your board.
Okay.
Why not?
Yeah, it's my turn.
It's Carl's turn.
Okay. So today, this week's first Kawa's pick is HG Gundam Ground Type. This is a very, I mean, it looks like a Gundam. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gundam in common sense, like even the people who don't know Gundam, they will consider
Recognize
this.
Yeah, RX 78, 79.
Yeah.
I recognize that Gundam.
Yeah. So this is a very classic design from it, like inside story of the Universal Century, which is the main storyline. So yeah, and the HGUC is like a renewed version from the very, very old one. So yeah, so it like the quality improves a lot because the old one is too old, so it's a bit bad.
It's a bit bad, yeah. So they've reissued it.
Yeah,
they've remolded it.
Yeah. So yeah, let's have a look.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's have a look in this thing.
Yeah.
This is a nice box art, by the way.
It is. Yeah.
In the jungle.
Yeah.
Very, very earthy. With a Zaku.
Yeah.
Dead Zaku. The bad guy.
Yeah.
There we go.
So they added a brand.
Get that out of here.
10 parts compared to the old one for holding the weapons. Yeah. Yeah, over here.
Yeah.
And because this is a general use unit, like a lot of them will be sent to the battlefield.
Okay.
So it gives you the number, so you can literally customize.
You can do any number you want.
Yeah.
You could do 9,876,543,000,000.
Whatever,
210,000.
As long as you can put them all on the shield.
Yeah. As long as it all goes on the shield.
Yeah.
Put one right on his face.
Yeah.
It's a sticker.
It's a sticker.
Yuck.
Yeah. You hate stickers, I know that.
I hate stickers. Why do they do it? Oh.
Buy water decals. They want you to give more money.
Yeah, they want you to give more money to Bandai.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah. And one special design in this kit is the box-ish.
The box?
It's actually a character.
What's in the box?
It's gonna be the weapons.
Oh, the weapons.
So you can literally stack all the weapons.
You can stack them. What?
Yeah, so it's like showing it.
There you go. All right.
Yeah.
So it's like a gun safe.
Yeah, it is. So for all the Gundams I built, it's always be annoying that some of the weapons you have to left them in the box. Like you can't hold any all the weapons at the same time. You have to leave something.
Yeah.
But this one is like, you can have an empty box. So everything is goes on the model. Yeah, pretty satisfying.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. And it has a very long cannon.
Gun
Yeah,
barrel.
Yeah, the gun barrel.
Yeah.
It can be departed into 3 parts, so it can be separate into 2 small weapons.
Is this all your research that you're doing this morning?
No, I knew that because it's literally in the anime.
It's literally in the anime. Oh my god. I have seen the anime, everybody. I know exactly what's going on. These are the blaster shootouts.
For the beam sword.
Yeah, for the beam.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I meant, guys. That's exactly what I meant. And then you have your inner frame. Oh wait, no, there is no inner frame. It's just weapons.
Yeah, just weapons.
This is the weapon sprue and some shoes and the V that goes on the head.
Yeah.
The ammunition. Yep. A bit of the shield.
Yeah.
Some boosters, rocket boosters.
It is.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's
Mobile Suit Gundam. Yeah, these have been popular.
Yeah.
Because we did just have a huge restock in store.
Yes, we do.
Of Bandai. Wow, what the heck? Interesting.
Yeah. And the shield, it has a stand, so it can stand by itself.
He doesn't need the shield. It can just stand by itself. Oh, look, straight into the ammunition here.
That's the very significant post in the
Oh.
opening. Yeah, so you can literally recreate that.
Oh, so he wears the backpack on him.
Yeah.
Ah, he's like tanked out. This guy's absolutely gonna destroy everyone. Wow. So yeah, he's using the stand as a thing.
Yeah.
All right, we've got someone waiting in the studio, but we'll quickly just wrap this one up.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
You got any final words?
Come and buy this one. This
Come
one
on.
is so underrated.
Okay,
Yeah.
underrated. There you have
Yeah,
it from
yeah.
Kawa. Beautiful model. Well, we've got.